Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to actually change or remove your background with DeepFakeMaker.io. So this free website allows you to actually change your background from what it was to what it can be. So all you have to, you can see an example here. See, this is the normal picture, and you can see her in a street background. You can see her in a natural forest background, night background. So you can actually do this for your own image also. So this is an example. You can see this cat. The original cat was in a was floating on in a swimming pool, and then you can see the same cat with the background of outer space or the sky. So all you have to do is to upload your image here, or just click on the image editor. After signing in, click on background changer. You'll be brought to a page like this, and then you can upload your image here, upload your new background, or if you want an AI generated background, click on AI generate. Now input what you want it to generate, and once it's done, this button will be available for you to click, and then you can click on generate. Within few seconds you should have your very beautiful image looking crisp and ready to go, just like this beautiful cat here. And then you can proceed to download it, and there you have it. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Would love if you'd subscribe to the channel, as it would help us grow. Thank you very much, and if you have any comments, let me know below.